8th class student, exercise 11A. Compound interest. Compound interest is question number is 6. Question number 6. P equal 64,000. Manoj deposit a sum of 64,000 in post office for 3 years. Time will be 3 years. Rate of the R will 7 whole 1/2% per annum. What amount will he get on A4 amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power T. We find the amount. P value is 64,000. 1 plus R value is mixed fraction change into improper fraction. 7 to the 14 and 15/2% per annum. So we write the value of R value is 15 and 2 with multiply 100. T is value 3. 64,000. 1 plus divide by 5. 5 3 ja and 5 20 ja. 3/22 ja 40 has power 3. 64,000 bracket 30 40 1 ja 40 plus 3 is 43. 43/40 power as 3. 64,000 into 43/40. Write the power is 3. So we write the 3 times 43/40. 30 by 30. 4 16 ja 4 4 ja 4 1 ja 4. After multiply amount will be after multiply 43 and 43 and 43. 79,507 rupees get the Manoj. Question number 6 is complete. 7 question. 7 question is Divakaran, deposit sum 6,250 rupees. Time is 1 year. R is equal to 8% per annum. But half yearly interest तो R value will be divided by 8/2 and year multiply by 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 4% will be value of R and T value will be 2. In formula is amount is equal to, we find the compound interest. Formula is P bracket 1 plus R is upon 100 has power T. P value is 6,250. 1 plus R will be, R rate is equal to was 8, half yearly make be 4 upon 100 power is 2. This value put the R and T. Divide by 1, 4 1 जा 4, 25. 6,250, 1 plus 1 upon 25 has power 2. 6,250, 25 1 जा 25 plus 26 upon 25 has power 2. 6,250 into 26 upon 25, write the according to power. Power is 2, so 26 upon 25 write the 2 times. 25 divide by 6250 and 25 10 ja. After multiply 26 is 676 into 10, 6,760 rupees will get the amount. We find the CI, compound interest is equal to A minus P. A 560 minus 6,250. After minus 615 rupees. After minus 0, 1, 5. Interest will be 510 rupees. Question number 7 is complete. Question number 8 is, Question number 8 is Michael. Question number 8, P will be 16,000. R is equal to 10% per annum. Time is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 2 years. As question 7, interest. Compounded half yearly. For half yearly, R divided by 2 and 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3 upon 2 divide multiply by 2 in year. 2 divided by 2, 3 half yearly, 2 5 ja 10, 5% per half yearly. Write the A is equal to what amount of money will discharge his debt back. How many rupees back the pay the debt. So we mean is amount will found R upon 100 power is T. Value put the half yearly. P is equal to 16,000. 1 plus R value change 5 upon 100. T value will be 3. 16,000. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 1 plus 1 upon 20 has power 3. 16,000. 20 1 ja 21. 20 and plus 1 is 21 upon 20 has power 3. 16,000 multiplied 21, right, 21 upon 2, 20 write the 3 times. 21 upon 20 and 21 upon 20 according to power. 30 by 30, 2 8 ja and 2 4 ja and 2 2 ja. After multiply 21 and 21, 441 multiply by 42 will get the 18,525. 22 rupees back the amount of money will discharge his debt is equal to 18,525 rupees. Question number 8 is complete and 11.1 is also complete. Thank you.